India has commenced manufacturing 400 T-90S battle tanks for its army after it signed the contract with Russia to extend the build license until 2028, last year. India made a decision to purchase T-90S tanks, which they are already producing under a license agreement. We extended the previous license deal until 2028 last year, so India could build 400 more tanks, head of Russia's Federal Service for Military and Technical Cooperation said during an interview with Rossiya 24 TV on Monday. The Indonesian Air Force's planned procurement of Sukhoi Su-35 Flankery multi-role combat aircraft from Russia is still active, Dmitry Shuglev, the director of Russia's Federal Service for Military Technical Cooperation, FSVTS, said on the 16th of March, denying media reports that Jakarta, under U.S. pressure, has dropped a deal to buy 11 of the Russian-made fighters. There is no official cancellation of the order, Shuglev told the Russia 24 news channel. We haven't received any papers regarding the issue and haven't been told about it. Shuglev said Indonesia is still interested in acquiring the Su-35s, adding, "We hope that the contract will be implemented." No further details were provided. The Indian Army and police recovered a huge cache of arms, ammunition and explosives from a jungle area in Assam's Udalguri district in the wee hours of Tuesday. The weapons were kept concealed beneath the sand in the midst of banana trees surrounded by thick jungle. According to the reports, based on intelligence input, the troops of Army and a police team of Udalguri district jointly launched an operation at Badagar, an area under Udalguri police station at around 2:30 am and recovered the weapons.